I have a very simple little fly. It's nothing more than a tube and a hackle, and it's a Spey Crimp. So this is a little 8mm stainless steel crimp, sea crimp. And we'll just put the black tie and silk on that. And I'm taking a black cock pheasant rump feather. I'm just going to double that over. Tie it in by its tip. I'll take a strand of pearl crystal here. I'm trying to keep bulk down here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold back my hackle and tie that in at the same time, fold it back too. And then we take our hackle pliers and simply wind on the black cock pheasant rump. You'll get 2 turns probably at most out of that as you wrap it on. And then these couple of bits of crystal hair here, just trim them off at the same length as the fibres of the feather. I take a bit of super glue on our thread, and this will stop the thing from sliding off. Create a head. And then we'll take clear varnish, varnish that, and that is a really simple black Spey Crimp.